guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gaurav, aka Mid Spectrum, and if you are new to the channel guys, you must not be aware that I do a Sneaker Sunday series where I review one of the sneakers that you see at the background every Sunday. So if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you never miss an update from my side. Now let's get into the context of this video. I'm gonna review one of my Air Jordans which I got almost an year back. They are called AJ1 Phantoms. And without any delay, let me get into the video and show you how they look like. Some drum rolls? Why not? So they're actually brand new. I haven't even tried them once. I'm gonna unbox it for the first time for you all. So here it is. This is how they look, as you can see. And now let me give you a closer look. This is how both of them look like together, guys. I've actually done the laces for one of them. I'm going to show you in this video how to put the laces in any of the high tops or the Jordans. But now let me tell you most important fact why I bought them. Fun fact, they actually look very similar to Air Jordan 1 Metallic Reds. They were launched in 1985. I'm a big fan of that sneaker, but unfortunately I couldn't get my hands onto them. That's why I bought this. The difference between both of them is the swoosh and the Air Jordan logo. I'll put up an image on the screen right now which you can check it out and spot the difference between these two. I actually missed out in telling you one more reason that I bought them is because of the wrinkled leather that is there on this particular sneaker. If you observe it closely, most of the Jordans will get their look exactly like the same when they are used frequently. This actually has this kind of pattern already as it's brand new. So even if I wear them very frequently, they're gonna still look very much similar as they are right now. That's another reason that I bought them. But don't worry guys, I'm not gonna bore you in this video to tell you more details about this sneaker, but gonna give you certain tips. If you wanna style your sneakers, which are high tops or any of the Jordans that you have, what is the kind of pattern of laces you should put them on so you stand out from the crowd?
Oh my god! Wow!
The first way, the normal way you tie your sneaker in shoes. I have done the same with this particular Jordan over here, but what makes a difference in case of Jordans? The tongue. The logo of Nike Air shines out when you particularly carry them on your feet, and I'm 100% sure when you do this particular style, a lot of compliments are coming on your way. The second way, the dangling way. This is one of my personal favorites as I love carrying my Jordans in this particular style. I'm not sure if you are a fan of this particular style, but it's very simple. Take the laces to the second last eyelet and just leave them untied. That's one of the styles a lot of sneakerheads carry. Fun fact in this particular style is you get ample amount of room within the sneaker to move your fingers and feet. That's why I prefer this particular kind of style. And yes, it's one of the trends a lot of sneakerheads and sneaker enthusiasts follow. The third way, take them till the top so that you have equal amount of laces left on both the sides. This is one of the preferences of those kind of sneakerheads who like to take the laces till the top and also prefer a tight fit in their sneakers. Now, I have told you all three. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. I would love to know them. What's your personal favorite out of all these three? As I promised you earlier that I'm going to tell you how to put the laces right in any of the Jordans or the high tops that you have. As you can see, I've already done neatly in this particular sneaker. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same pattern in this particular sneaker. Actually, there are a lot of ways in which you can do the laces. I'm going to teach you a very basic one right now and leave the other ones for some other video. So let's get started. Now I'm going to tell you how to do the laces in any of the high tops or the Air Jordans if you have. You first have to put both the laces ends from the first eyelets which are there and make sure the length of the ends are equidistant so that when you are done on both the ends, the laces are equally aligned. Moving further, if you are putting any of the white laces guys, make sure your hands are completely clean. Also, I'm using one of the sanitizers right now to make sure the laces don't get dirty, because I'm gonna keep continuing doing laces like this and this might make them a bit dirty, which will not look neat. So I've sanitized my hand guys, and now I'm going to show you how to do the laces right. Basically, you just have to keep one end and start putting from the second eyelet. Make sure you're passing them through your fingers so there are no bends. As you can see in the other sneaker I have done, and there are no bends in this. It's very simple, just keep watching. So as you can see, there is a bend over here. So you have to make sure that you try to avoid it. So right now it's completely neat. Take the end of the lace and put it into the third eyelet in the same manner. Make sure you're passing them through your fingers so there are no bends. That's again done perfectly guys, and now I'm just gonna fast forward it and show you how it's done completely. That's how you do the laces in any of the Jordans or the high tops guys. I hope you got a knack of it. If you have any questions and doubts, you can drop in the comment section. Readily available to help you all. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. My handle is going to be right here. And this was a very small and simple video for you to give you certain small tips about how to style your laces and how to put them on in a perfect manner. I beg your pardon guys, to be very honest, the sweat that you see on my head is because I don't have an air conditioner in my house. I have to switch off all the fans so the audio is crystal clear. But don't dislike the video because of that. If you watched the video till here, the like button is just right down there. Please hit that. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe also. I'm going to see you again in the next Sneaker Sunday series. That's going to be on the next Sunday. Do let me know in the comment section which is the next sneaker you want to see me unboxing. Until then,